up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Priscilla, aka Precious, and in today's video, as you read from the title, we are doing a hair vlog. I am so nervous. I'm not gonna lie to you. You can see it in my eyes. I'm scared. A lot has been happening this week. Words can't describe the amount of there's been a lot going on when it comes to my husband and the things that he's currently dealing with right now in this time. Unfortunately, I'm not with him right now to comfort him because he did have to go out the country. Besides this being super sad in the beginning, I'm basically gonna go get my hair done. Now, this was something that we already planned a month in advance, so it's not that I couldn't go because of my hair. It's just because the time and place in which everything happened, it just wasn't working. And I was a little upset and bummed out that I couldn't go, but I mean, I'm sending my love to him and his family. That's basically what's happening tomorrow. I'm getting my hair done, so I'm getting a traditional sew-in. I'm pretty nervous, but also excited because it switches up my look. Don't mind my hair, it's looking crazy. So it's the night before I get my hair done, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, do my skincare, and probably redo my lashes because I don't know if y'all can see that. Brother, So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and take you guys along with just my preparation for getting my hair done. Also, just a little FYI, my appointment is at 10 in the morning. I'm gonna have to get up early. There's a lot I'm trying to do tomorrow. Fingers crossed I can get everything done and checked off. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
So I just finished my skincare routine, as you guys can see. I believe the only thing I have to do left would be to put some deodorant on and put some lotion on. But for tonight, I think I'm just gonna chill and make sure I also have all my equipment charged and ready for tomorrow. We'll have to see as far as what bundles they have because I am getting my bundles from the company. And I will leave their Instagram page here off to the side so you guys can check them out. They are located in Boca Raton. I am going to call it a night, drink some tea, relax, and just get prepped for the appointment. So I will see you guys in the morning when I am up.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet what's in and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone. Know that I'm.
Alright, so my camera just died, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it really quickly and then kind of change my hair. I don't know what I want to do with it, to be honest, but I don't want to keep it in these little space buns, and basically charge this camera before I have to go. Plus I'm gonna go change, so that's the most important thing. I'm gonna go ahead and change. So right now headed there. I'm gonna be there in like nine minutes. I'm not too far away from it, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. My hair is literally in my face, it's aggravating, but I'm a little nervous and excited right now because I know like my hair is gonna look really, really good. I'm almost there. It wasn't too far. I thought it was gonna be a little farther, but it actually didn't end up being that far. It was a pretty good drive. Not too much traffic. See, as I'm talking, there's traffic. I'm gonna catch you guys whenever I'm officially at the salon. So I'm excited. So all I'm doing right now is just waiting. So I can't wait to like take you guys along with me and show you guys the experience as far as like my hair, getting it done, just the process and how they braid it all down. See you guys in a little. This is Katiana, my stylist, and she's gonna do an amazing job. These are the bundles that I was talking about. These are the bundles that I was talking about.
Making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Crisis in my life, for I'm good, yeah. Crisis in my life, for I'm good, yeah. Wow, I can understand. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? And now I'm better, no longer what I used to be better, better. It's making me better, I'm starting a new thing. It's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Crisis in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Crisis in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good.
So she finished the sew-in. It's looking cute. All she's gonna have to do right now is just style it, straighten it, the look, you know, give it some personality. And I was gonna say their hair quality is very, very soft. Feels really, really good. As far as like shedding and everything, I haven't felt any like shedding, but the quality feels good. My stylist was saying that these do last for up to like 2 years if you take good care of them.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the...
We just finished the service. The hair is looking bomb. Thank you. Did a really good job. And yeah, time to go home, girl. Alright, so I just got home and I'm taking my dog out. That's why I'm out here. I just got back and honestly, it was a really good experience. I had a really chill stylist and she made the experience very relaxing and calming, and she kind of just informed me what to expect, especially when it comes to getting a traditional sew-in. Now, she did her thing, okay? She did her thing. I highly recommend that you guys go to her because she does an amazing job with blending your hair, but also making it full and not making it where it feels super thin. But she also had made it very, very flat. Just saying, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, this little vlog, this experience with me. I hope that it inspires you to try a traditional sew-in, especially if this is your first time, and to also just get out of your comfort zone. But with that being said, I will see you beautiful people in the next video. Bye!
Sold things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.